guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Weigh-In Wednesday. Yay! So, I had quite the week. If you watched my previous video, you will have already known what's going on. I had a week of wow, is really all I can say. The lack of hunger by being on keto has affected me in more ways than one. It has completely gotten rid of my hunger, which it sounds like a great thing, but it's really not. I had an episode the other day where I thought I might pass out because my calories are extremely low. So I decided, not to go that route. It's not a safe way to lose weight, especially, trying to get myself back into a state of good health. So I stayed keto and I still did the, Itrackbites, but I upped my carbohydrates a little bit and I really tried hard to not be not hungry. I tried to, over the last couple days, eat more. And I tried to not have so much dietary fat over the last couple of days. Like added fat. So if I had a fatty cut of meat or if I used some olive oil, like that was good. But I tried very hard not to dump with, all the bacon and the bacon grease and heavy on the eggs with the yolks. And I really tried to focus the last couple days on some leaner protein, kind of like the way I did with Optavia. So I did do quite a bit of fish in the last few days, salads, and I didn't go heavy on like full fat ranch dressings and stuff like that. I did use Walden Farms salad dressing, which is like no calories, no fat, no carbs, and I got the carbs in with the vegetables. It hasn't been easy though, I have to say. I still really am not that hungry. And I also added in yesterday, I had one Optavia fueling in the middle of the day. And also today I had this. So, just because I'm following the Itrackbites doesn't mean I can't do that, because I just scan this in the app and it tells me exactly what I'm having. And, these little fuelings are only about 10 whole carbs a day, and if you subtract the fiber and such, it brings you down to even less, so you can incorporate that. So I have quite a few of them left over from when I was on it, so I'm not going to waste them, right? And if I'm having these little episodes where I'm not feeling good and lightheaded, it kind of brings me back to the whole reason why I stopped keto in the first place. But I really love being in that low carb, keto way of life. It's gonna sound so oxymoron. I feel good when I eat that way, but I don't feel good because I felt faint and my calories are just way too low. So I'm still here, but I had a huge weight loss this week, and clearly it's because the calories were way low, which also goes back to the fact that it doesn't matter so much what you eat to a point. It's really calories in versus calories out. If I look at my Apple Watch every day, between all of the hiking and everything that I do, I average somewhere between 2,000 and 2,500 calories burnt daily. That's as a whole, not just like activity. That's just my body burning calories. And if I'm only taking in, because I'm not even hungry, like 600 to 700 calories every day, I'm gonna have a great weight loss. And that's probably why Optavia worked so well for me, because I was only getting in like maybe 1,200 calories a day. And if I'm burning over 2,000, there's your weight loss. It's only when I start dabbling into the higher carb things, the bread, the, pizza dough, pizza, things like that, that I hold on to a lot of water and they start the cravings up again, and I'm unsuccessful. So low carb / keto / Optavia, whatever that lifestyle is, obviously is what suits me. The other thing with being, keto is I know that my potassium wasn't being met. And I do take the electrolytes from Dr. Berg, and there's, I believe, 1,200 milligrams of potassium in each serving. So I was at least getting something, right? But if you're not eating a lot and not taking in, you're still not meeting your requirements. And that's why with Optavia, when I was on it, all of the fuelings added up at the end of the day gave you 100% of the daily recommended what you need. So, you know, that's where the difference is. So I'm taking a multivitamin right now. I'm taking my collagen supplements. I noticed my skin is a lot nicer. Lighting in here is not the best, so I apologize for that. But yeah, I'm just trucking on. So anyway, I'll get to the weight loss part of this video, and here we go. Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. I am down almost 5 pounds. That's a lot in a week. That is a lot in a week. And I have to, once again, attribute it to the lack of appetite. But I know this past week was just not healthy for me. So I'm trying to change that. And I'm going to continue on the Itrackbites and continue to update you guys on how I'm doing. So that's the weigh-in for today. So if you have any questions, let me know. Comments, be kind, you know, like I totally get what's going on, and I don't have an eating disorder, and I'm not looking to, you know, starve myself or anything like that. So please, yeah, just wanted to say that. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day. Stay well, stay focused, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.